Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome if you're new. Today's video is all about my simple self-care morning routine. I use these tips while I'm at home, on the road, at a hotel, on vacation, or wherever I may be. Hopefully you guys are able to pick up some tips to incorporate in your morning routine. First thing I do is I set my alarm clock 15 minutes before it's actually time to get up because it takes me a while. As much as I try not to hit the snooze button most mornings, the other half of the mornings I struggle. So I set my alarm 15 minutes before, giving me enough time to pray, meditate, and literally give myself a pep talk to get out of bed and rock it for the day because listen, sometimes you need that solo pep talk. I truly recommend waking up to natural light. Something about the sun beaming through the window always gets me. I mean, it's a good source of vitamin D. If I'm home, I would normally go outside and stand barefoot on the floor. This is why I also put my phone down after the alarm goes off because I don't want the light from my phone to disrupt my mood. So I put my phone down and also don't want to get distracted by social media. Let's get ready for the shower, darling. Good thing I don't have to drive anywhere this morning, but this is me. This is why I'm always late. I procrastinate. I have a pitch meeting for this hotel at 8 a.m. and it's downstairs in the lobby, so it gives me time. One thing about me, I love a steamy shower. I love to take a bath with hot water, okay? I don't need that cold water the first thing in the morning. Spice me up. Give me some heat. I need it to feel like the devil's balls in the shower. My morning wake up, pick me up. I'm all about aromatherapy, and one thing that wakes me up in the morning is the scent of orange. Any citrusy scent always get me going. So this is what I'm doing. I'm splashing a little essential oils on the wall to soak up that aroma. I definitely recommend you guys invest in some essential oils. I love sweet orange, lemon, lime, any citrusy scent will help wake up your senses and help get you ready for the day. Yes, I brought my own body wash to the hotel, I know, but I love this Olay. It's very soothe and calming, but I needed something that has a high scent fragrance. One, it will help wake me up, and two, the scent will last all day. And it makes perfect with my perfumes. Since I woke up 15 minutes early and I don't have to rush, I take my time in the shower and I go over my schedule for the day. What are some of the key points I want to address in the meeting? What am I feeling? And I just check in with myself. I definitely recommend that you give Olay, this orchid and blackcurrant a chance because baby, it smells so good and it feels so silky and creamy at the same time on my body. My shower is where I process things. If not all the time, most of the time. This is where I process important information because I'm able to focus and relax and my mind is not off wandering on many different things. So this is where I process. This is where I pray. This is where I sometimes meditate and be in the moment with just myself. I truly recommend a nighttime or morning shower routine where you're able to relax and not rush. Give yourself time to process your thoughts and your day and your feelings. Get your night shower routine. As I was exiting the shower, I saw that the shower gel is actually fresh citrus. So I had to give it a try. I can't just leave out the people in the bathroom and not give it a try. It definitely adds to the aromatherapy and help get my brain going. It is very citrusy and I love that. But I was still happy that I bought my Olay because that she was nice and smooth. She was everything that I needed. All I did with the shower gel was do my upper body so I could smell that citrusy scent. Even though at times I do put a little essential oils on my wrist just so I could smell it throughout the day. As always, I go in with the Dove unscented bar and I clean my feminine area. Y'all will never see that on camera. And just give thanks for another day and another chance to be here with you guys. Ladies and gentlemen, please don't forget to hydrate. Drink your water. Drink your water the first thing in the morning. You cannot be hydrated on the outside and dry and crusty on the inside. No, hydrate on the inside and then you'll be glowing on the outside. Okay? This is why black don't crack. At times, anxiety gets the best of me. No matter how hard I try not to overthink, it gets to me. So what I like to do is lay down and just go over my affirmation and positive thinking. You got to remind yourself who you are, what you stand for, what you believe in, and get up and do it. No one is stopping you, and you damn sure not going to stop yourself. So get it. Let's brush our teeth, get away the bad breath. I know it's been like 45 minutes before I brush my teeth, but listen, it's a part of the process. Again, don't forget to moisturize. I use jojoba oil to moisturize my lips, and my go-to face moisturizer and body moisturizer is Cerave. I put it on my face. I use the Cerave Daily Moisturizing Lotion on my face and the Cerave Moisturizing Cream on my body. Be hydrated inside and out, boo. I love using a cream or oil on my body because it lasts throughout the day. This Cerave moisturizing cream, when I tell y'all it keeps me moisturized, I'm in Florida, and it keeps me moisturized throughout the day, and I lotion from top to bottom. Don't be judging my toes. I need to get a pedicure, I know. Shout out to all the girls with short hair, but as you know, short hair is not summer friendly. As the hot as it gets, my hair tends to stick up. So this is how I keep it down. I mousse and then I tie it down. This is why I'm late. I literally put on a concert while I'm doing my makeup. Everything we do. I'm so mad. I'm so freaking mad. Like I put on my concealer without putting on my primer. Without putting on the freaking primer. At least I moisturize. I don't wear makeup every day, but I need to get in the habit of learning to do my makeup faster because it does take me a while. And you know when you turn the music down, you have to focus. So that's what I'm doing. I don't want to go overboard with this contour. Listening to music will help boost and change your mood. I am an old school R&B girl, honey. This helps me to stay so calm and relaxed. I don't know how y'all be listening to boom, boom, tick, tick, boom, boom, shot, 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 gut. I can't do it, and I'm not judging you a little. So I'm going to go with the Glamnetics Birthday Bee. They're so easy to put on. Like when I don't have my lashes done, this is what I put on. Because I cannot put on lashes to save my behind. But these Glamnetics makes it so easy. I'm going to get the bigger size to this because Charlotte didn't have to go as hard as she did with that one. Normally I wouldn't spend this much time on my makeup, but I do want to do my best and look my best for this pitch, and I wanted a look that was able to go with multiple outfits just in case I was asked. Boss. Cause boss. Waking up 15 minutes early helped me with time when it comes to me rushing or procrastinating. This is why I get up an extra 15 minutes early. I don't have to rush and I could just take my time, even though I was kind of pushing it. I didn't realize when I was getting dressed that my top was that wrinkly. Oh my gosh, I thought it looked fine. Well, I wasn't looking at the mirror, I was actually looking at the viewfinder. But after I realized how wrinkled my shirt looks, I end up changing the whole outfit. So no, I didn't end up wearing this, even though this is what I wanted to wear. I was happy I wore the outfit that I did though, because it came in clutch. I love to leave a lasting image of myself in somebody else's mind, and I love to go with a nice, strong perfume. This is from Dossier, and it's their Baccarat dupe, and it is ambery saffron. A little bit nervous as I wait outside for them to call me downstairs. This is just my nerves going. I'm already sweating, but I just remember my affirmations. So I had to do like a brand pitch meeting. It was good. Be confident in everything that you do. From the moment I wake up, I speak confident and positivity in my life. I'm confident in the way how I carry myself and how I talk to people and how I approach situation. If you're going to be confident in everything that you do, not just one aspect. This is the aftermath, so it all worked out perfectly and we were invited back for dinner. This is the after outfit. It was just a little rooftop lounge. I will show you guys that in my other video, but thank you guys so much for watching. Again, my name is Vanessa. I put out videos 1 to 2 times a week related to all things lifestyle, fashion, and self-care. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.